Today, I'm giving you the best guide to start Forex trading today. No confusing words, no unnecessary stories, just 5 simple steps you can follow today. So, step number 1 is to learn the basics. So, before you even think about trading, you need 2 things. One, what is a currency pair? Okay? So, is it Euro USD, GBP USD, or JBP JPY? So why the market moves? That is number 2. You have to know why this market moves. Okay? So if you understand those 2 things, I'm telling you, everything becomes easier. Remember, Forex is simple, just that people overcomplicate it. So step number 2 is to choose a reliable broker. This is where most beginners mess up. So don't pick a broker because of bonuses or ads. Choose one that has a regulated license. Now, for example, this broker I'm using. If you want to sign up with this broker, check the link in the description. So that broker has to be having good spreads. So when you connect this broker with your MT5, you have to check the spreads that this broker is having. So also the deposits and the withdrawals, they have to be very easy. For this broker, deposits, they take even less than a minute to reflect on your account. And the withdrawals, they take even less than a minute to reflect on your account. That means, and the broker is regulated, it is having good spreads, and everything is perfect. So, check the link in the description to sign up. So, your broker can decide if you keep your profit or lose it unfairly. Okay, that's why choosing a good broker is very crucial. So, step number 3 is to use one simple strategy. You don't need 10 indicators. Pick one simple strategy and master it. For example, identify the trend. Just say this is a bullish trend. Why? Because it is breaking high highs and higher lows. Okay? Wait for the pullback to come back. Because now, if this is a high, it was broken, right? Wait for the pullback. When it breaks, wait for the pullback always. Okay? Then enter at support or resistance. Enter the market. It has come to your zone. Enter the market after getting confirmation. Right? So, use stop loss on every single trade. That means here you can risk some amount of pips and you target like 1 to 2, 1, 3. Okay? So step number 4, it is risk management. This is very crucial. If you ignore this, you will blow your account. I have seen this happen very many times, even to myself. Risk 1 to 2% per trade, no matter how confident you are. No matter how confident you feel. Just say I'm entering from here. Okay? I'm risking 20 pips for 40. Okay? It is 1 to 2. So small risk equals to long survival. And long survival, it is long-term growth. And last step is to practice before using real money. Open a demo account and practice for at least 30 days. Now for this trading broker I told you about, you can deposit any money you want in a demo. It gives you this virtual money for you to use. For example, this is a 10k USD virtual money for you to use. Test your strategy on MT5. Connect this account to MT5 and test your strategy. Learn your mistakes and build confidence. Okay? Trading is a skill, not a race. So if you follow these 5 steps, you will start Forex trading the right way in 2025, 2026. Okay? So if you want simple beginner tools and PDFs, check the links in the description. Drop a comment if you want part 2 of this video.